Hi, this is Shandon from BrainTap. Today I'm excited to walk you through our new and improved V5 BrainTap headset. Let's get started. Upon opening, you'll find the BrainTap headset. We're going to go ahead and set this aside for right now. Below the purple packaging, you'll also notice that you are going to have a user manual. There is a quick operations guide and a quick Bluetooth pairing guide. You'll also find below the auxiliary cord, which is used for wired use. You'll also find the USB-C charging cord and charging cube. These are used together to charge your headset for the onboard rechargeable battery. When looking at your BrainTap headset, the charging port is located on the bottom right earphone. There's also a battery indicator light located on the bottom right earphone as well, next to your charging port. The light will turn yellow when you have 20% battery left, it will turn red when charging, and green when fully charged. It will take a few hours to fully charge, but once charged you can play 15 to 20 sessions. The number of audio sessions may vary when listening via Bluetooth. The BrainTap's easy-to-use control panel is located on the back right earphone. To turn on your BrainTap headset, simply slide down the on and off switch. The lights in the ears will turn on right away. Notice you will see the red and blue LEDs. The visor lights will not turn on until you start playing a session. When playing a session, be sure that your Bluetooth is paired or an auxiliary cord is plugged in all the way. 1 is the lowest light setting and 5 is the brightest. To adjust this, just push the button 1 to 5 times depending on the light preference. It is recommended for first-time users to start with the lower intensity light and increase brightness with future uses. Light intensity is personal preference, and as a reminder, your eyes are closed throughout the process. There is a volume up button and a volume down button located on the back control panel. It's best to keep your volume above 90% on your phone or tablet and adjust the headset accordingly. The BrainTap headset is Bluetooth compatible, so you can pair wirelessly. To pair Bluetooth, turn on the BrainTap headset and go into your mobile phone device Bluetooth settings. For more information on Bluetooth pairing, reference the pairing guide in your case or go to our Bluetooth pairing video. Your headset still comes with an auxiliary cord for hardwired use. If you want to use your auxiliary cord, simply plug it in to your device headphone jack and play a session. The headset is designed to adjust for comfort. To adjust, simply slide the visor in and out or slide the earphones up and down. The top headband is made to be flexible. We hope this video helps, and if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.